first chapter of the science and technology. We meet after longer time. After the longer time, but we have to do it. The first chapter, it is the gravitation. What is the gravitation? It is the type of force. You are familiar. You know different forces acting in the universe as well as in your surroundings. Like mechanical force, magnetic force, muscular force, electromagnetic force. Such forces are affect on every body, every object. We see, we observe different phenomena in the nature, in the universe. You learned in the previous standard about the forces. Sir Isaac Newton thought, why apple fall on the earth? Why it not goes in the higher altitude? He think about it and concluded, definitely it comes towards the earth, falls on the earth. Because of any force that pulls that apple. And that is the gravitation force. He stated that force was the gravitation force. Due to the gravitation force, many phenomena are observed on the earth, but we have to come to the point about the gravitation force, circular motion and centripetal force. About the gravitation, the law we have stated by the Kepler, Newton's universal law of gravitation, acceleration due to the gravitation force of the earth, free fall, and a mukta patan, escape velocity. There are some concepts. Those are related to the gravitation. You learned in the last year force and motion, as well as you know the laws of motions stated by the Newton. In this chapter, we have to describe or study more about the circular motion and the centripetal force. What is the circular motion? It is the motion of the object, that moving path of the object is circular. That body moves on that That is why it is called a circular motion of that object. In the nature, in the universe, in our solar system, number of planets, जैसे कि हमारी पृथ्वी एक है, moves around the sun. About our earth has a satellite, natural satellite, that is moon. It moves around the earth. We say it is the revolutionary motion of the moon. But why any object, any heavenly body moves around the other body? It happens definitely due to there is a force act on the moving body, and such force is called centripetal force. What is the actual meaning of centripetal? Centripetal means that the force seeking towards the center. So it is called a center seeking force, means centripetal force. Due to this force, moves around the earth. Our planets moves around the sun. You have experienced about this activity. This is stone, what is tied to this string, and when you start to move, it moves circular. But what force act on that moving stone? The force act in the center direction. That is the centripetal force. It moving body, it changes its direction in each and every point on the circular path. It tied by that force and moves along the circular path. इसी तरह नेचर में और यूनिवर्स में भी one small body, heavenly body, moves around the large body. Just I told you, different planets moves around the sun along the different orbits. Our moon moves around the earth, but they do not collide on each other. There are some reasons. I tell you later to about the why they not collide to each other. In this gravitation and gravitational force, there are some laws stated by the Newtons. The first law about the inertia, second law about the momentum, and third law, the action and reaction force. Now we learned about the causes of moving the body along the sun, causes of falling the body towards the earth, causes of moving the moon along the earth. About these motion and forces, number of studied on this phenomenon, and then after the Isaac Newton's, Kepler studied more about the force and motion. Which motion? Planetary motions. जैसे कि planets moves around the sun. He had been observed by the motion of the planet. He collected information from the ancient period. Johannes Kepler studied these data. He noticed that the motion of planets follows certain laws. The motion of the planet, he take in the laws and he stated the laws. He stated 3 laws described by planetary motion. These are known as Kepler's laws. About the planetary motion. He noticed that the motion of planets, certain laws, he stated the laws. About this Kepler's first law. First law. What is the first law of the Kepler's? The orbit of a planet that's moving path. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse. Ellipse with the sun at one of the portions. At one of the portions, FOCI. This is the path. It is not correctly circular. It is the elliptical. Elliptical means the oval shape. Oval is a leg toward about the edge. This figure shows the motion of the planet around the sun. It is the sun, and these are the different positions of the moving planets. This figure shows elliptical orbit of planet revolving around the sun. This is the orbit. The law states the object of a planet is the orbit of the planet is an ellipse with sun at 1%. Then next, he stated also second law about the planet, moving planet, that is Kepler's second law. The first law about the moving orbit of the planet around the sun. This law states the line joining the planet when the planet and the sun equal areas in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time. Do you understand this law? He stated about the distance covered by the planet and the distance and the covered area. The line joining the planet, it is the planet, the line joined to the sun. And the sun, equal area in equal interval of time. Equal interval of time. If the time is same, moving time of the planet is same along the orbit, if these equal times, the areas covered by the planet also equal. There are three areas shown in this figure. AB and CD are distances. This is A point. AB and CD distance. The plane covered by the planet is equal time, that is after equal interval, after intervals of the time, position of the planet starting from A to C starting from A and C are shown by B and D respectively. These straight lines AS, this is the S point. S for point of the sun. AS and CS sweep equal area in equal interval of time area ASB. And CSD. This area and this area are completely equal, and that area, this distance is also covered equal in time. Students, we are for this first video. Thank you to you. We will continue to the next video. This video you hear carefully and reply me.